What's up guys, welcome back to Watch Crypto. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 altcoin picks for 2025. Each of these 5 altcoins has its own value proposition and differences, but I think every single one of them can really perform in 2025. So make sure to stay until the end, subscribe, leave a like, and let's get straight into it. The first of my picks is going to be Solana, and it is probably one of my, if not the top pick for this list, because I truly believe that Solana is going to grow exponentially in the upcoming months and years because of different reasons. First of all, because of the on-chain analysis that you can perform yourself in DeFi Llama or in any website that is publishing about Solana. You can see that there is a very interesting uptrend in terms of volume. For example, here you can see that it's growing really fast, and right here we can see that we are reaching really high volumes, whereas in the past the volume was really not that insane. I mean, here you can see that the volume was literally like 5 million. Right now we're doing volumes of 2.3 billion daily, which is absolutely insane. I mean, it's really crazy. And here you can see also in terms of the addresses, you can see that the addresses are going high as well. The daily active addresses are growing, the transactions are also growing, and I don't know, just the whole narrative for Solana is very bullish. The competitor is Ethereum, and Ethereum can handle 30 transactions per second while Solana can handle 65,000, which is insane, as well as the whole speed. I mean, there's so much factors in terms of on-chain analysis that just make me really bullish on this chain. Now, if Solana were to get to the market cap of Ethereum, we would experience a 4x return in the price of Solana, which is definitely achievable. Ethereum has a much slower chain. The transactions handled per second are really low in comparison. The fees are very high. I mean, in moments of high demand, the fees for Ethereum can reach $30, while the average price of transaction in Solana is $0.0025, which is insanely low compared. Here you can see that Solana is the top 1 chain in DEX trading volume in the last 30 days. It has already surpassed Ethereum. I mean, it's gonna happen eventually, okay? It's gonna happen eventually. Ethereum is an OG player in crypto, and it's obviously always going to have some value, but Solana is going to catch up eventually. That's my opinion. I mean, Solana is insane. You can see by these statistics and by these metrics that Solana is just growing and outperforming every single chain. Another very important reason why I think Solana can explode in 2025 is because it is the chosen chain for meme coins and projects to develop. Because of the low fees, the transaction speed, as I mentioned before, it's really fast, the efficiency of the chain, and just because of the overall ease to create in this chain. You can obviously see that there is a lot of memes that are in the Solana chain that are in the top. So for example, Dog We've Had, Bonk, Popcat, so many more are in the chain, and the biggest meme coins and the highest returns are being made in Solana. The next altcoin is called Aether. I think that's how you pronounce it, and it is basically GPU computing solutions on demand. And you can obviously think of Render, but this token is currently sitting at the 240 in the rank. I mean, it has so much potential to grow. It has a very good green flag, which is seeing early investors and VCs. This always brings a lot of hope for any project, and just the overall market situation and AI trend is just a really important fact to consider when investing in projects like this, because there is a lot of demand and there is actually a supply shock in terms of GPU computing because of the big enterprises like Nvidia, Meta, Google just grabbing all the available GPU computing, taking it for themselves. And this is why there is a demand for these companies, and this is why I think Aether can definitely provide and just grow in this ecosystem. They are already an established business. They already did $36 million in 2024. That's why I truly believe that this token can skyrocket. There is need for GPU computing, and they offer a really interesting price for these services. They also offer staking, and overall the team is doing a really good job in terms of growing the ecosystem and creating a sustainable ecosystem, which is even more important. Lastly, they are launching a $100 million ecosystem fund for next level growth for AI and gaming innovators, which is really bullish in my opinion, and it just shows that they are involved and they truly want long-term growth, just going for the absolute best that they can achieve. The next altcoin is Propi, which is in the RWA narrative, and you can see that it is sitting currently at the 375 rank, which is definitely low. I mean, this project could definitely be in the top 100 for sure, and you are going to understand why in just a second. Propy is definitely the best RWA narrative in the US, and they are just the top licensed Web3 real estate firm in blockchain. So they are backed by Cambridge, Harvard, MIT, Oxford, Princeton, Stanford. I mean, what else do you want here? So Propy was awarded also Technology Pioneer by World Economic Forum. So I mean, it's insane. Like, the amount of quality and value that they are offering is unmatched in the RWA narrative, in my opinion. I mean, title escrow by Propy. I mean, it's insane. Like, you don't even need a third party anymore. It's all tokenized thanks to them. So really amazing altcoin project. I definitely think that they are going to grow in 2025. Make sure to always do your own research. I heard that Grant Cardone was doing $47 million listings in Propy. It is definitely growing, and it will grow and grow in 2025. For the next altcoin, we have a meme coin. I've talked several times about Bread. Bread is the biggest meme coin on Base, and you always want to hunt for the #1 meme coin on any chain, because that is the chain that is going to pump when the market pumps, and when the liquidity starts spreading around from Bitcoin, they are going to get the best piece of the cake. So Bread is the biggest one on Base, and right now it is sitting at a very nice position. I've already talked about it several times. Let's go ahead and check out the chart here. So right now we can see that Bread is sitting at a sub-billion market cap, when in the all-time highs we reached literally almost 2 billions. So there is definitely potential for growth. This is not going to give you a 100x obviously at this moment, but I think that it can definitely experience growth in the next bull run. You can see, I mean, a 100% increase might be possible to retest the all-time high levels in the upcoming months or years if it's the time it takes. But yeah, definitely bullish on Bread, guys. I think this meme coin can experience really nice growth. There is a strong community on it, and it is just established, and it is going to definitely get a part of the cake when bull run is back and when Bitcoin just goes past the all-time highs, depending obviously on the elections and stuff. I think this is a really strong potential project to keep on your portfolio. And for the last altcoin, we have AIT protocol, which is an amazing protocol combining AI, Web3, and big data processing, which are all set to grow in 2025, 2026, etc. I mean, you guys already know about this. I truly love the website. I think it's amazing. So revolutionizing AI, Web3, and big data processing. Our mission is to be the leading decentralized machine learning protocol, empowering AI development with scale and efficiency. A pretty ambitious goal, if you ask me. Streamline your data analytics workflow, contribute to big data analytics, earn platform tokens, and participate in the future of decentralized machine learning. AIT LogicNet subnet on BitTensor, advanced algorithms integrated, intelligently interpret and respond to user queries, providing a responsive and adaptive conversational experience. We have a subnet on BitTensor. I mean, pretty cool. Train, learn, and earn with AI solutions from global crowd. Join the platform with these 5 sample steps. You also have the power of AI in Web3, so transforming blockchain, boosting efficiency, transparency, and automation for limitless decentralized potential, combining obviously the power of AI in Web3. They are obviously in the Web3 space. And here you can see really bullish the partnerships incubated by Metabros and Paul AI. And you can see the different backers. So Maven Capital, Contango, Momentum, Morningstar Ventures. Really bullish that there's so many people involved. You can see there's even BNB here, which is huge, and CK Zinc. So, I mean, definitely all green flags for this project. This project is even further down in the ranks. It is sitting at the 703 rank, which is insane, to be honest. I mean, I think that this is going to grow and grow in 2025. You can see that there has been an insane dump. I mean, we had all-time highs of 1.4 almost dollars, and right now we're sitting at 10 cents. I mean, the potential upside is crazy for this one. It is truly crazy. I don't know what to say, guys. I think that this has so much potential. The website is amazing. The market cap is really low. You can just do your own research and check out even more. Here we can see, for example, the Albert API demo is currently live. Solving math problems, one-click project information, general inquiries. So the Albert API demo is now live. You can check it out right here in this video, and you can just do your own research and learn more about this. But I definitely think that there is a lot of uptrend potential for this one. So guys, that's pretty much it for my top 5 altcoins set to explode in 2025. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If that's the case, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment your thoughts down below, maybe your picks for 2025, and I will see you guys in the next video.